Hi everyone, it's Louis Fernandez here with the LRF group with Berkshire Hathaway, and today we're live. We're hosting a an open house in Coral Gables, and wanted to have one of course, my partner and my better half, Giovanna Fernandez, to speak with us a little bit about the property, and so she was kind enough to step outside for a moment to give us some insight. So, with no further ado, let me introduce Giovanna Fernandez. Giovanna, how you doing?
Hi,
Yes.
doing good. It's a beautiful day. It didn't rain today, so I'm excited. That
Right,
means
and
we have people that are not afraid to drive in the rain and will come out to the open house.
absolutely. I know it's been raining the last month or so. I mean, it's the rainy seasons, but behind you, there's this beautiful home that we have
Yes.
on the market. You wanna tell us a little bit about it?
Well, yes, of course. Those of you who know me know that I am a sucker for Old Spanish. I love Old Spanish architecture. I love the history of homes, and Coral Gables is the best place to find that. I just want to show you this street and how it's completely canopied with beautiful trees, and that's really what is one of the things other than Old Spanish and the history of Merrick that I love about the Coral Gables. But this house, and as you can see, open house, yay!
What
There
time is
we
the
are.
open house today?
Open house started about 45 minutes ago, and we're running until 4 o'clock today. So, just to give you a little bit, I don't know if I can turn this around, but this house is a 1926 home. It is a landmark property, which means that it's a historic designation. And if you see here, landmark, the landmark homes are awarded this, and they get to hold that as a little badge of honor on their properties.
So at least we know.
So
At least we know. I mean, part of the address is 1430.
1430 Milan. I know that that was. I should have said that. Thank you, Louis.
You're welcome.
So you'll see that there's a carport here. And again, the street is just beautiful. Really, really beautiful. I'll take you through it if you'd like me to.
Sure.
It starts with this beautiful little porch. I love it. And the house it's been updated. You see my partners in crime back there from the team. Say
Yes, I see.
hi, Andrea and
Hey,
Rich.
Andrea. Hi, Remsh. How you doing?
So everybody's here. So, what's beautiful about this house is that although it has been updated and modified, like impact windows, new plumbing, it's got a beautiful pool that was installed 10 years ago, it also still has the charm. So, for example, you walk in and it's got this gorgeous foyer entrance with the high ceiling
Very nice.
and the decorative windows. And another thing about this house is that with Old Spanish, you get really lucky with light or you have a dark home. And fortunately, this is one of those Old Spanish homes that you've got tons of natural light. So if you see behind me, there's a lot of natural light.
Very pretty.
And you've
Very
got
nice.
this really adorable little Romeo Juliet type balcony. And another special feature about Old Spanish is that you don't have to worry about the low ceilings that some of the 1950s, 60s, 70s homes have. You've got where you might average like these 8.5 ceilings, you've got about 9.5 to 10 feet in the Old Spanish home, at least this one, and which is a huge benefit. So this is the dining room. If you really want to see it, you're going to have to come out, but I'm going to give you a peek. And then we have that little picture frame that frames the exterior, which is lovely. He really maximized the yard, putting a little pool there. You'll see that the bathroom has been remodeled. Hi. I'm doing one of those pictures. Has everyone seen the pictures in the MLS with the realtor kind of hiding? Yeah. Hire the right realtor so that they do professional photography for you.
Very important.
So this is one of the bedrooms. They're all really spacious.
Right.
I'm not going to show you the other bedroom because, like I said, if you want to see everything, you have to come. But one of my favorite rooms in the house, of course, is the master bedroom. It's a huge room, big master closet, and of course, an exit to the pool. Really bright. And here comes the favorite. You've got a separate toilet room. And this, I love this bathroom. Very resort style,
Yeah, it's very
modern,
unique.
but it,
It's very unique. If anyone who knows about the Gables, especially the old Spanish style homes, to find that type of update and space uh, within
it is.
the
And
bone
what's
structure of
nice
the
is
house
that,
is rare.
right. And what's really nice, I'm just going to stand in the shower here. What's really nice is that it doesn't offend. So, in other words, it's updated, but it doesn't clash with the idea and the style of Old Spanish. Because I have seen homes that they're these beautiful 1926 homes, and they've completely remodeled it. And as long as it's done tastefully, it's okay. But modernizing it too much makes it clash, and you kind of don't understand the flow of the property. Whereas this is done so well and it's kind of timeless, which is really beautiful.
Very
But
true.
check out this view. I mean, it's so pretty.
Yeah,
It's a
absolutely. It feels like you're in a resort, and
waterfront tub.
it
Waterfront
is.
tub
It
right
is. And so
there.
how? So just briefly, I know that you're pressed for time. What's the advantage of living in Coral Gables? What's I mean, some of
So
the
many.
features.
There's too many to mention, but I'll mention a few. It's a very walkable city. Coral Gables is one of the most. You've got great restaurants, excellent schools, tons of entertainment, regardless of what your likes are and what you're into. You know how large or small your family is, single, married. It doesn't matter. It really takes care of everybody. And and then also you've got there's always something to do. You can go to the Venetian pool. You can hit Miracle Mile for shops and restaurants. There's two golf courses, a four-star hotel right here in the Gables, Biltmore, which is also historic, and Biltmore Hotel. And so, in terms of living, it's so central too. So whether you work downtown or down south, you're really essentially central to Miami. So Coral Gables is just one of those cities that it's easier to get everywhere if you live here.
Right.
And
And
mhm.
and so if they want to find out more information about the property and other
Yes, you
properties, I
can reach
understand you
out
got.
to me. Yes,
I
I
mean,
have
what's your
several
contact numbers?
listings. So my phone number is 786-376-3372. Again, 786-376-3372. You could reach out to me directly. You can send me a message on Instagram. I am at giovanna.m.fernandez. You can find me there. But again, this one is 1430 Milan Avenue in Coral Gables. I'll be here with my team with a couple members of my team until 4 o'clock. And then tomorrow, we've got two other open houses. We have one at 14430 Southwest 96th Avenue. So that's near the falls. It's a gorgeous property. And we have another one at a brand new listing at 6760 Southwest 32nd Street. And that one is also a 3-2. The one down by the falls is a 4-3 on a huge lot. So they're great properties. Both of those will be held tomorrow from 12 to 4. And yeah, so come by or call me if you want some more information.
Yeah, absolutely, and just as a sneak peek, I know there's a property that's coming soon. I mean, on the market. I won't give out the address, but it's also in Coral Gables in Alhambra.
Yes, also
So
a historic home.
an
Hmm.
historic home. So I
Beautiful
think if
home.
people want to
Hmm.
have more information about that one too, because our market's still quite tight. By the way, there's still multiple bids being presented.
Inventory is still low. Yeah,
It is.
inventory is still low. We're still getting multiple offers. I think that people are taking a little bit longer to make that decision, but they are still buying. So,
All right.
and property values in Miami, although you might see some listing prices coming down, property values are not, and they won't. They
Yeah,
won't.
no, no. I mean, actually, we're
That's my
selling.
advice.
So, I mean,
We're selling.
I think at almost every listing that that we get, we sell it within the 45, 35-day period. So
Yeah,
our market is still moving. Well, listen, Giovanna, thank you so much for taking a moment of your time and showing us
you bet.
the lovely home. And so, also you can reach her at the website at the lrfgroup.com. She's got all the contact information there. And once again, best of luck today in your open house.
Oh, and by the way, if you're a Gableite, you know this. Go Canes.
Well, that's why I'm wearing my jersey today because the Canes are playing a big game tonight. So hopefully they win, just like we win all the time. I hope we can pass it on to the Canes today. So thank you so much. All the best.
Bye.